I'm gonna change my tires. Something on a motorcycle I've never done alone. I've done it once with a buddy of mine. You can check his video out, it's right here. It took us about 8 hours. I have a can of grease, it's way too expensive. I got 3 spoons, some rim protectors, and I got a Proworks tire changer. Gonna make my life a lot easier. Joren, thanks for suggesting it or influencing me or almost feel like forcing me to buy it. Let's go and unbox it. So you can find some more information about the device in the description. Check everything out, see what is what. And I guess then we are going to assemble it. So I guess most of it you can just click together. It does not want to go in the hole. There we go. And you put this one on top. I assume that is how it works. Yank this in that thing. This on like this. And then you can use the lever to turn it around. 10 out of 10. I did a thing. So it's the second day. Let's go do some tires. Easy peasy. Oh damn. Okay, maybe I already regret my life's choices. Fuck. Damage. Fucking hell. Great idea, speaker. Okay, stay there. Oh, there we go. Coolio. Ow. My finger, bitch. Okay, come on, you fucking fuck. It failed. Balls. Why is it not? Ow. First part's fucking easy. And now it went down the hill again. Imagine the back tire. Get out, you. See? Easy. It has to be like this, I guess. Makes sense. Well, there goes my GoPro. There we go. Well, my rim is absolutely fucked, but nothing a little bit of paint can't fix. Move, turn over. There we go. There's movement. It wasn't even that bad. There we go, motherfucker. Time to get the other one on it. There we go. Beep. So I just went to the shop to get my tires inflated and balanced because just in case. So now is the time to just put them back on, I guess. It's a very tight fit. $65. Holy shit, the amount of stability. It's almost cheating how stable this feels. I'm curious how deep this is. Okay, I think I'm committed now. I'm gonna waddle through it. Yep, 100% committed, and it's so easy. It is so easy with these tires. Man, I've really been missing out. I mean, even though you can do this on STRs, the amount of confidence you have compared, this is indeed so much better. Okay, let's go here to the left. The amount of confidence you get with these tires. This Neo, dude, you're amazing. Okay, grass, still slippery. Still very slippery. So, the tires I have are then the Mitas ENDURO Trail XT Plus. And on the front I have the Rebel Explorer Adventure. So, the front one is a 50-50 tire because I just wanted to try it out. I am no expert in what is the best tire, what tire you should use for what condition. I just know that going through puddles, going through water, going through mud, I would say it's a good experience. I would say, yeah, I have nothing to complain about. And like even driving away like this is so much more comfortable. All in all, I'm very satisfied. I have a trip coming up next weekend with about 20 people. We're gonna go do some off-road stuff. So yeah, watch out for that one. It's I think it's gonna be a very fun video. I hope. It's gonna be very fun. So yeah, see you then. Bye.